Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. For this tutorial, I will show you how to create high converting TikTok ads. So if you have a TikTok business account, you want to use TikTok ads to showcase your products. Now, according to TikTok, it is advisable to keep your ads short and simple and put some creativity to it for it to be more engaging and virtually appealing to your TikTok audience. Now let's head on to my CapCut. This is my video ad that I will be posting for my TikTok business account. So I want my ad to be creative, simple, and engaging. So I just put some transitions to it. Adding music is optional, but according to TikTok, this is going to be more professional. But if you're adding a voiceover to your TikTok ad, you just minimize the music that you added. So I'm just gonna save my TikTok ad. So I'm just gonna click export. But for you, if you want to add texts, so you can also add, but this one is just a sample. So let's go and export it and make sure it's on high quality. Now let's share it to TikTok. You can also edit your video here on TikTok. There are a lot of options for you to do. Here you can add texts. TikTok recommends that you add a voiceover to your TikTok ad. According to them, it has an 87% lift to your TikTok ad and 9% engagement to your TikTok audience. Once you're done, you can do last touch-ups for your TikTok ad, and then you click next, create an engaging caption for your TikTok ad, and then don't forget to click everyone and allow comments and see if you're uploading in high quality, and then you click post. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel.